Hello, this is Mandy with Scott Leroy Marketing. I'd like to show you how you can create checklist templates for your opportunities. This is a way to set up tasks in a template form so that any future opportunities you create will automatically have tasks created for them so that you can have consistency in your business and the services that you provide. Let me show you how to get that done. Within your opportunities tab right here, you'll just want to click into your sales pipeline. So we'll focus on our listing sales pipeline here and go ahead and click into the cultivate phase. You will need to follow these steps within each one of your sales pipeline and each phase in order to get a checklist template set up for each phase within each of your three sales pipeline. But after you do that initial work, again, Command will automatically create these tasks for you for your future opportunities moving forward. Now that we're in our listings sales pipeline, we'll select our cultivate phase. You'll come up here to the top right and click on stages and checklists. From here, you can actually edit the checklists that you create for each one of the stages within this particular phase. You would click on the checklist right here. So for this one, it's our watch stage in the cultivate phase. And these are the tasks that have already been added. To add a task, you click add task and you can go ahead and name it. Now, you don't have to recreate the wheel. KW actually provides a list of suggested template tasks for you. I'll go ahead and put that on the screen here. And the link will also be in the description of this video. So make sure to go check that out so you can save your own copy of this. But for every single phase and every stage, you will see suggested tasks to create. You can just literally copy and then come back to your opportunity task and paste this in and do that repetitively in order to get these tasks created. So just copy and paste into the task. You can also select if you want this particular task to be included in your client updates. If you're not familiar with client updates, definitely check out that tip video on our YouTube channel that will show you how Command can automatically update your clients on what's been completed in their transaction. So we'll go ahead and toggle that on. Choose the task type. So this is get their email address. So we'll leave this as an other task. Add a description if you need to. Include a hyperlink if you'd like to reference it. Choose your priority level. And then just set your due date down here. You can leave it as no due date or even have it scheduled to be on a particular smart due date or before or after a smart due date. An example of this would be like a smart due date. You can choose from one of these in the list. So maybe it's your appointment scheduled. You'll want to have a task to make sure you get their email address, especially if you're preparing like those listing documents and you want to go ahead and email them to the client for the appointment so they can review them ahead of time, things like that. So choosing a due date on a smart due date, you can choose a key date from that opportunity and set that as the due date. This will allow the opportunity to automatically set these tasks to be due on the specific date for that individual opportunity. Go ahead and click create. And if you have any more questions about the smart due date or how to schedule tasks, we have another tip video that'll show you that too. But that's how you can add tasks to this checklist of tasks. This is the template again for all future opportunities. You can come in here and change the order that the tasks appear by drag and drop in them. You can also come over here to the right and choose if you want them to be included in a client update or not. The three dots to the right will allow you to edit a specific task you've added or even delete it if you would like to. Once you're done, click Save. That is for the checklist template for the tasks that will be applied to future opportunities in the cultivate and watch stage. Once they go to the nurture stage, you can come here and go ahead and update your template for this. You would want to create a checklist template, again, for each stage in each phase within all three of your listing or all three of your sales pipelines, your listing, your buyer, and your leases. Once you've created these templates, all future opportunities made after this point will have these particular tasks automatically created for them. So you're not having to just remember every single item every single time you make an opportunity. You'll have help bringing that consistency to your business. If you have any questions about this at all or anything else to do with your KW platforms, you can always reach out to us at Scott Leroy Marketing by emailing us at support@scottleroymarketing.com, and we'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching.